To anyone who wants to get vaccinated in Bayern but doesn't know how to make an appointment, this video is for you. I'm Hamad from GLL. Let's make a vaccination appointment together. First up, we should go to www.impzentrum.bayern, as we see on the top of the screen. Now our registration process starts. Register. We give them our email and we create a password. The password should be minimum 8 letters and should have at least one capital letter and one small letter. Now the registration process starts. We should fill out this form, which is basically our personal information, name, date of birth, sex, address, and phone number. Next up, they ask us a couple of questions. The first question is, have you been in contact with someone with COVID or have you had COVID in the last 4 weeks? And the second question is, are you pregnant in the first trimester? Then, next to the square, they're asking for permission to use our basic information, which is not obligatory. Now we choose where we are in Bayern exactly, we're in Niederbayern. And in Niederbayern, these are the vaccination centers. We're gonna choose something close to Passau and Passau Landkreis. There is Salzweg, and there is Passau. These are the opening hours of the vaccination center we chose. Our personal data again, we should make sure our information is 100% correct. And then we move forward to make a termin. Press Termin wählen. And a code should be sent to our email to verify our email. We enter the code here. And for the last step of our vaccination appointment, we choose the vaccination center, the date we want to get vaccinated, and if we're free the whole day, afternoon, or before 12 p.m. This is our appointment. We press Termin buchen. And there we go. Stay safe, stay healthy.